Hello guys, let's discuss these two problems on exponents of real numbers from R.D. Sharma. Our first problem says if x to the x is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3, now you need to prove that x cube minus 6x is equal to 6. As you need to prove this expression and you have given this expression, what you are going to do? You know that the expression which you need to prove here contains x cube. So now what you will do? X is equal to 2 raised to power 1 by 3 plus 2 to the power 2 by 3. Let's take the cube on both the side. After taking cube, let's solve it further. This expression is in the form of a plus b whole to the power 3. So when you solve this expression, what this will be? This will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So now let's apply the same formula here on this expression. You'll get this. Now after solving this further, what you'll get? You know that here you are going to apply third law because here this is 2 raised to power 1 by 3 and whole raised to power 3. So these two powers will come in multiplication and 3 will cancel 3. So what you will be left with? 2 to the power 1. Here 3 will cancel 3 and then you will be left with 2 to the power 2. Here 3 into, as you can see here that base are same. So you are going to take the sum of these two powers. You will get 3 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, you will get 3 by 3. 3 will cancel 3 and you will get 1. 2 to the power 1. You can write this expression or you can replace this value with x because you know that x is equal to this. So replace this expression with x. Now solve this expression further. 2 plus 4 plus 3 into 2, 6x, and this is equal to x cube here on your left hand side. Now what you will do? You will bring this value to your left hand side and this will be x square minus 6x is equal to 6. Hence proved. I hope this should be an easy solution for you. Now let's move on to another problem where these values has been given to you. 3 to the power 4x is equal to 81 to the power minus 1 and 10 to the power 1 by y is equal to 0.0001. Now what you need to find here? Now you need to find the value of this expression. And you can only find the value of this expression after getting the value for x as well as y. So what you will do? You will solve the given expression first for the value of x and y. Now let's take our first expression, which is, so here you can see that there are different base on your left hand side as well as on your right hand side. So what you will do? You know that you can write 81 as 3 to the power 4 so that base will become same on both the side. Now write this as 3 to the power 4 to the power minus 1. Here you are going to apply third law. 4 will get multiplied with minus 1 and you will get 3 to the power minus 4. Now you can see here that base are same. So you are going to compare the exponents. Because these two expressions will be equivalent only when these two values will be same. So that's why I have compared these two exponents. So what will be value for x? It will be x is equal to minus 1. Now let's take our second expression, which is this. Now here there is this decimal point and there are 4 decimal digits after this decimal point. So what you'll do? You can write this decimal number in the form of rational number. How are you going to do that? Let's replace this decimal, and you know that as there are 4 decimal digits after decimal points, so there will be that many zeros in the denominator. You can see here on your left hand side there is the base of 10. So you are going to make the base of 10. How? you can write this as 10 to the power 4, which means you are multiplying 10 4 times. So when you multiply 10 4 times, you will get 10,000. Now what you will do to make the base 10, you will bring this value in the numerator. So sign of exponent is going to change, but base will remain as it is. Now you can compare the base, both are same. Now you are going to compare the exponents. So value will be this, and value for y will be minus 1 by 4. Now what you are going to do, as you need to find the value for this expression, you are going to put the value of x and y here in this expression. Value for x is minus 1 plus 4, and value for y is minus 1 by 4. 4 will cancel 4. When you multiply two negative values, so your result is going to be positive always. And when you are multiplying one positive value and one negative value, then your result will be negative. So here, as you are multiplying two negative values, this is minus 1 into minus 1. So this will become positive 1. And here you are multiplying two different signs. So this will become minus 1. This is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. So result will be negative. Now 1 minus 1 will be 0. After solving it further, you will get 1, because if the power of any base is 0, then your value is always going to be 1. I hope there should be no doubt here. I will be taking more problems in the next video lecture. Thank you.